This tutorial will guide you through the process of registration, data entry, and navigating of the Interface Doctor app. To start using VitalAge, you first need to create a user profile. Enter your first name, last name, and email address. Create a secure password and confirm it. Select your gender and enter your weight in pounds, height in centimeters, and date of birth. Click Create Account. Once registered, log in with your credentials. Main panel, My Health Dashboard. Upon entering, you'll see a summary of your current health status. Biological age displays your calculated biological age compared to your chronological age. Go to the Fitness Assessment section in the side menu. Click Add Assessment. Select the type of exercise, e.g. VO2 max, grip strength, push-ups. Enter the result value and save changes. Note, you'll see how these metrics immediately impact your biological passport. For biomarkers and medical data management, VitalAge enables comprehensive tracking of your lab results. Manual entry in the biomarkers section, you can add specific results such as RDW, zinc, glucose, etc. by entering the value and unit of measurement. You can upload your lab reports directly in PDF, CSV, or JSON formats via Upload Health Data. The system will automatically process and integrate the data into your history. Biological data and wearables tracking. In the biological data section, you can monitor trends over time. Interactive charts visualize changes in weight, blood pressure, and heart rate. Easily add or correct historical entries by clicking the edit icon on each card. Wearables log data from your smart devices such as awake time, respiratory rate, and sleep levels to get a 360-degree view of your recovery. Biological Passport. This is the platform's most advanced tool. Here you'll find a system-level breakdown. Molecular, repair, bioenergetic, and systemic. Each category displays a level of entropy and data completeness. The more biomarkers and fitness assessments you log, the more accurate your biological age calculation becomes.